Ako nakaipon-ipon, ito yung unang tatlong pag-i-investan ko. Una, pinaka-obvious sa lahat, real estate. So land, house, apartment, commercial space, warehouse, pinaka-interested ako. Kasi it rarely depreciates and it's still one of the meta in wealth building. Although ang ayoko lang dito, it's not fluid kasi pag bibili ka, ang daming proseso, tapos pag kailangan mong ibenta, ang dami pa ring proseso, so ewan ko. Pangalawa, precious metals like gold, silver, it tends to retain value if not gain. It's cheaper if you buy it in bars, pero it's not gonna be as fluid kasi hindi naman matitingi ang bars eh. But it's more expensive in smaller manufactured pieces like gold coins or mga kwintas, alahas, although it's easier to move around. Lastly, lately ko lang na-realize to. I can see na around same price lang siya ng naunang dalawa, depende. Napapansin ko parang sobrang bilis tumaas ng value. Ewan ko kung artificially inflated ba yung prices niya o ano. Pero I gotta admit, I'm not that knowledgeable when it comes to this yet. Pero I can see how can this be very, very fluid. Una ko siyang napanood kay Kevin O'Leary, yung sa Shark Tank, and then kay Vucom, and then kay parang Hype. Sobrang nakakaaliw panoorin yung negotiations nila, luxury watches.